baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys this quick and easy fall home mirrored wall decor. These are the items that we'll be using for this decor today, and they will all be listed down in the description box so you guys can go down and check out and see where I got the items that we'll be using. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we have our pumpkins here, and we're just going to be taking out these stems because we don't need them. Taking the stems out the pumpkin, and then we're going to cut the pumpkins in half. And now we're going to use some silver acrylic paint to paint our pumpkin silver. Now we're going to take these plastic plates and we're going to put some bling wrap going around them, and we have 6 plates, you guys. We'll be doing 6 of this DIY. So we're using these blinged out gems that I got from Walmart. Now they have a good adhesive tape on the back, and because the plates are plastic, they stick very well. So it's very easy. We're just going to go right around and bling out our plate. And now we're going to be adding our mirror to the center of our plate. And now our pumpkins are all dry, and I painted the inside of them also. And we're going to put some strips of our bling wrap that I got from Totally Dazzled going down our pumpkins. Now it's time to glue our pumpkins onto our mirror. Now we're going to be adding these stone gems or crystal gems to our pumpkin just to give them a stem with the crystals. Now we're just going to do the other 6 plates, you guys. Or I should say 5. We're going to do the other 5 plates now, the same as we did this one. And here's our finished look. I think they look very nice. I placed them in the kitchen above the little nook area where we have our table. And I think they look very nice. All I did was use command strips, the small command strips, 1 on each plate, because they're very light, so just 1 strip on each plate, and place them on the wall. I think they look so nice. A nice little fall decor. And this is another way you can display them, just like this. I think it looks very nice like this also. If you have a rack like this, you know, it's very nice. Another way to display them. And you know, because they're single plates, you can put them in any pattern that you like along your wall. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of this nice pumpkin, mirrored pumpkin wall decor for the fall. And don't forget to give me a like. And if you're not subscribed, you can press that subscribe button and come back and see more of the DIYs that I have to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye, everyone.